Hey guys, let's get my gazebo up and going for the summer. I have played around with this setup a few times. I actually changed some merchandise out and brought some new ones in until I felt like I found the right setup that is going to make me happy, and I feel like I've actually found that. So I'm just pulling the chairs in at this point. I will list where I got everything from. I do believe the rug came from Costco, but I found it on Amazon for you guys, and the furniture set is also from Amazon. But for the most part, I've had this gazebo for at least 5 years, if I'm not mistaken. Over the years, I've changed my mind in terms of how I want it to look, like the colors I was using. I do want to change this one to something a little bit more permanent for the winter, as I do plan to have some winter nights out here. But for now, this soft top works just fine. This is usually a process. My dad is usually around to help me do all of this, even get the yard together. But listen, I can't wait on him, and they're coming a little bit late this summer, so I wanted to get this up and going. I love hanging out in my little space in the backyard. I am one of those people, I just do things like this to make myself comfortable. I love being at home, and I love to enjoy the things I work hard for. So this is just my little oasis away from the world. I just come out here, enjoy the weather, and it just makes me feel so blessed to know that I'm able to create this type of life for myself. So at this point, I'm attaching the cover for the gazebo. As I mentioned, this is a soft top. It's pretty easy to put together. Once I attach these little parts, I clip them underneath under a slide, and you just stretch it out as you go, and it will cover the entire fixture. Then it comes with these little things that slide into the railing of the gazebo, hook on to the end, and then here you just tie the little clips in. I look homeless in some of these videos, guys, because it took me like a day or two to get this done. The last thing I'm going to do is attach the outdoor curtains, which allow you to close the gazebo up if it rains or if it's just windy overall. I love this because then you can clip it. Here I'm just adding my fan. I got this fan off of Amazon. I've had this as well for 5 years, and it's held up pretty well over the years. I'm just removing the card out of the way. This is a new addition to my backyard. I got the table last year, and then the chairs I've had from Aldi's a while. Everything else I got from Amazon, and this is the complete setup. I'm still working on my ideas for this little corner, but for the gazebo as of right now, everything is to my liking. I just want to change the gazebo to a hard top. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I'm sorry it wasn't too detailed. I was trying to get this done within 2 days and then just be outside chilling. If you have any comments or questions, put them down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. And here is a view of what everything looks like at night.